Our company, Haplast, produces a total of nearly 5,000 tons of plastic packaging per month. Of this, 4,000 tons are small-sized products like t-shirt bags, flat bags, garbage bags, zipper bags, mailer bags, compostable bags, and many more. Among them, the Drawstring trash bag product line is currently being ramped up in production at our factory, with a capacity of 250 tons per month. Our Drawstring trash bags are not only easy to use, but also incredibly sturdy, capable of handling heavy loads. With a smart design, the Drawstring makes tying and carrying trash quick and hassle-free. Additionally, the bags provide excellent leak resistance and odor control, ensuring maximum comfort for your home. At Haplast, we understand that every customer has unique needs. That's why we offer customized production options from size and color to materials and printing. Whether for household use, restaurants, or hotels, Haplast ensures the perfect solution. Not only do we focus on quality, but we're also committed to offering our products at the most competitive prices on the market. This is why we've become the top choice for customers in the USA and worldwide. Choose Haplast. We are committed to supporting your success with high-quality solutions.